Welcome to Film Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Adobong Pusit. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, tomatoes. We have squid here, which is a medium size. It's already clean and we debone it already. We got vinegar, olive oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground black pepper. So we're gonna use also a little of water here, and that should be it. Let's proceed to cooking. In our hot wok here, let's put vegetable oil or olive oil. Both of them will work. Okay. Now we can put our onions. Let's give it a minute. Now the onion is cooked already and it's translucent. So that's the. This is time to put our garlic. Okay, let's give it 30 seconds for this. Now the garlic is cooked already. So let's put our tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Okay. Let's let it cook for 2 minutes. Let's cover this. Now let's check our tomatoes. Wow, this is cooked already. So this is the right time to put our squid. Okay. Put our squid in. There are two ways you can prepare the squid. You can have it whole like this, or cut it in half or in small pieces. I prefer this not cut, so it will be it will look a lot better when you serve this. So let's put soy sauce, like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of vinegar, and oyster sauce, like 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay, and we'll put also black ground pepper. So we won't stir it for now because we just put the vinegar. We're gonna let it boil for a minute before we stir this. All right, so cover it. Now let's check our squid. Okay, we can stir it a little bit now, so the ingredients will be mixed real good. All right, so we don't overcook squid. This will take only 5 minutes. All right, so let's simmer this for 5 minutes. Here's our finished product, Adobong Pusit or Squid Adobo. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.